Okay, for this recipe, we're going to be making lemon meringue pie. The ingredients you're going to need, I will have it listed on the screen as well in the description box, the full recipe. You're going to need sugar, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, water, 2 lemons juiced and zested, butter, 4 egg yolks, and 1 pie crust. First thing we're going to do is bake our pie crust, and then we'll get our filling started. The first thing we're going to do is add our sugar. We've got 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Wants to stick in there for some reason. We need that, don't we? And a ½ teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add our water to this and just mix it gradually. My pan does have Teflon coming off. I will take it through a sieve before I finish it at the end. I'm looking for a set of cookware. I'm going to my daughter's this weekend, and I think I'm going to go to Costco and look for a set. A lot of people recommended Costco for some good cookware, so I think we'll do that. Pie crust is done. We're going to let that sit here and cool while we make our filling. Let's go ahead and move that off the heat. And I'm going to temper my eggs. Put our egg yolks right in there. I'm a big old messy cook, guys. Let's go ahead and add our egg yolks in there. And we're going to add our lemon juice right in. Turn that burner back on for a minute. I went ahead and took that through the sieve. Now we're going to add our lemon zest right in there. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. It smells amazing. So good. Now we're going to take our pie crust and pour our filling right inside of our pie crust. Then once this completely cools, we'll make our meringue and bake it in the oven. Okay. All right, for the top of our lemon meringue pie, we're going to use 4 egg whites. Those like to drive me crazy getting them in without getting yolk in them. And a ½ cup of sugar, granulated. And it didn't call for any cream of tartar, but my mom always used it, so I'm just going to put a sprinkle of it in there. Just a sprinkle. And then we're going to beat this until stiff peaks form. Alright, let's see if it got thick enough. I think that'll work. Alright, we got our lemon pie here. We got our meringue. Let's put it right on top there. And we're going to bake it in the oven at 325 for 20 to 25 minutes. You want to make sure you seal the edges of this with that meringue so your pie doesn't weep. So we're going all the way to the edge of that pie crust. So seal it. Because if you don't, it will definitely weep. We're just going to put some flickety-flues on top to make it fancy. And I'm going to put it on a baking sheet. Alright, it's going in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And I'll meet you back here. And when it cools, we'll do a taste test. Okay, here's what our pie looks like after coming out of the oven. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill because it definitely needs to set up. And we'll do a taste test when it's good and chilled. Okay, we got our pie. It's been in the fridge. I think it's chilled enough to cut. Look how pretty that turned out. Turned out beautiful. Let's take Chad a piece. He's in his media room. Baby, will you do a taste test for me? Turn the light on.
Watching the reds on my phone and on this.
It is not set good yet. But what I tasted, I liked it. I just wanted to know what you thought. Homemade lemon meringue pie. Are you a big fan of that, first of all?
Yeah, I think so. I like coconut cream.
Yeah, I know you do. I didn't know if you like lemon much or not. Sure. I love lemon. Lemon's my favorite, one of my favorite things.
Oh, yeah, that's really tasty. It's really refreshing.
Yeah. I think that's good for spring and summer, don't you?
Yes. It's a great pie.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay.
Is this mine?
Yeah, that's yours.
Yay.
How's the meringue taste?
It's great.
It's homemade meringue, too.
It's very good.
Really?
It's beautiful, too.